Namaste, all of you. Welcome back to An Article a Day Creates an Excellent Way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skill. I am Akash, student of class 12th, Kendriya Vidyalaya Malkangiri. I am going to read out today's article to you. Here is the today's article. Please watch and broaden your knowledge. Perfecting the test. CBSE's plans for class 10th and 12th assessments should incorporate needs of state school. The present article has been taken from the official website of The Hindu. Preparing for an uncertain academic year ahead during the pandemic, the Central Board of Secondary Education has decided on an assessment scheme for class 10th and 12th for 2021-22 session under various scenarios, including the possibility that board examination can be conducted should circumstances improve. The year gone by was extremely challenging for all boards, and the CBSE had to hastily come up with a scheme to assess candidates in class 12. It became clear that even with its high emphasis of academics, there was considerable deprivation for some students, and not all got the opportunity to complete their syllabus or attend online classes even in the national capital. The wide coverage of the board as of 2019 includes 1,138 Kendriya Vidyalayas, 2,727 government schools, 17,553 independent schools, 598 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas and 14 Central Tibetan schools and schools abroad. The diversity of students and their varied background was apparently reckoned to some degree while drafting the scheme for the coming year, which includes a mix of internal assessment for class 9, 10th and 11, 12th, and the term examination in November, December and in March, April 2022. There will be a rationalized, compartmentalized syllabus split into two halves for each term. The scheme, which has the benefit of advanced planning unlike the past year, must be responsive to the issues faced by all the institutions in remote location and the deprivation faced by privileged students. The CBSE's special scheme relies on syllabus rationalism done through expert evaluation of interconnectivity of subjects and a centralized protocol of question paper and marking scheme for the term examination. In the case of term 1, it will be a multiple choice question MCQ type test stretching over 90 minutes with machine readable optical marking, and for term 2 a short and long answer model if circumstances permit. Efficient as it may sound, the multiple choice model is critiqued by some as inferior, with sometimes irrelevant and meaningless questions that add up to a little in terms of assessment, helping only the marking process. An adjunct to the MCQ pattern could be decentralized process, empowering regional CBSE units and external experts to consider the state of particular district and come up with the assessment tailored to specific situation at that time. The board has done well to plan for different scenarios that could be imposed by the pandemic, where either of the term examination or both cannot be held, or the second term has to be converted into the MCQ. The fallback option in the worst case scenario is a combination of internal assessment, practical and project work, and theory examination taken at home. The extreme uncertainty underscores the need to take online lesson to all classes of students and factor in school with special needs. The special words that have been chosen from the article are reckon, to think or believe, or to consider or have the opinion that something is as stated. Deprivation, the lack or denial of something considered to be a necessity. Critique, evaluate a theory or practice in a detailed and analytical way. Thank you.